Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from Untouchable Mama. My brothers and sisters, wetin you make me come out today, huh? Abeg, wanna help me share this audio. May reach Mama Gladys hand with Mama Paika hand. Abeg, I go still put am for my YouTube channel. Wetin you make me come out today, I wan talk about two of una. E get one video wey Mama Gladys do, wey white woman dey with am. Mama Gladys, you fall my hand. You fall my hand. You fall my hand. I really dey love you because you come from the same place where I come, Italy. My four couple were done. Nu wata be video ni uwage ehwe wa amumejo. Ehwe wa amumejo. I'm a mother also. How can you call a woman like you SP? How can you call a woman SP? Yet it's an info. Mama, you for my hand. Who be this one? Are we mates? We are mates. Mama, we mates him. As far as where he say 40, better 14. We are mates. You understand? We are mates. When we grown up children, 3 boys, boyfriend and girlfriend, dog back here. Why ain't you only where SP? Can somebody do it to you? Can somebody do it to you? Mama Gladys, who want follow Bonnie? No matter, no matter what happen between you with Okpaika. I beg me, I tell this one. Mona jo package Dion. Mona package for one corner. Why am I Dion jo? Why am I Dion jo? Why am I jo? Because wakame kata woto. Why ba do me Dion jo to handle ya gui? Make una no carry joy put Mona drop leave Dion for one corner. Mona leave van. Mama Gladys, as a mother where me be, if na me do that video where you do yesterday, you know what my children go tell me? They will say, Mama, me very go in your detail. We Italy were married, maybe married. Already make na my children see that video. Me I just tell you one thing, as a mother like me, that video where there for you to wait there for your work. When video you know the video where they talk about. So tell them make them delete am. It's not a good thing for your children to see it. That you are calling another woman like you SP. It's not a good thing. Like me they want my children they respect me well, and I still they respect. Then they tell me say, Mama no fight question cause. I know they do am. I no go do am because I no want wetin go bring shame. I no want wetin go they go say that they say, oh Mama mi ve go in the te le cosa che tu è fatta adesso è una merda. When you know say if Italo can say è una merda, you know as it be. Mama Gladys na you are the talk to so. Just go remove that video. Emma no atio honi wa we SP because all that from where you where you marry work in Nigeria. So stop doing that thing. You carry with one video ba sokba. Una better way a guess him o washa wo mu ya agboria. That kind thing no good as a president. President where you call yourself, I say you are a president of together a God family. I appreciate, but something where they come out for your mouth, it's not good. It's not good as a president. You know what him damn a president in me. A president or maybe no ladia will know and stop be shouting. I only ya time no say. I dey respect you really. If I respect you well, but you don't come out for your lane. Stay on your lane as your foundation. Stay there. When me keganya dey. I dey look what you dey do. Stay on your lane and stop calling people P. Ima like any ohoni women metiti P. Because as you dey do that video for live video, you know say not be only one person they see you, not be only two. Control your mouth, control your nota. Because if person do to you, you not go like him. You will never like it. Because as you just they do the video now the same thing. Now so you say they do for ground without video not there. It's supposed to be safe. You did live video, you control yourself. do when I got to can you feel they do anything where you like, but it just wait with the see now wait till you they do for live video now the same thing you still they do for ground, which is very bad. As a president where you call yourself, you have to be. I don't know what happened between you with Okpaika. I don't even call here say me I can't defend Okpaika. And that one, me see they come for that one. I don't come here, me I can't defend anybody. Wait till me not like where you talk. Now me just they tell you say. So if you are really a mother, you know say your children they respect you because I know say you get grown-up children like me. Go tell them for you to make them remove that video. That video where they talk about where Italian lady they near you, that white woman they near you, where you call Madam Baika SP. Go remove them. If your children see them tomorrow, they will not be happy with you. Or maybe your children, you not trade them like that. Because my own, me trade them where wait till they come up from my mouth, they control them. Before they will tell me, say, Mama, ke kaso staffa chendo. Because me, I don't like that word. Me, my children tell me, say, ke kaso staffa chendo. You understand what I talk? And your children, they will get girlfriends. So remove that video from there. It is not a nice thing. Now, skiaf, now that one, they call it, skiaf in it to a facha. Go remove them and stop calling people that ways. Or when I'm here, we will not noka ya jingwin noka jukbone. Everything any no ladian won we get correct. Get where this lady president what she they talk for her mouth. Now really something way super. Respect yourself. At least you are up to 40. You respect yourself. Don't let people to be looking down on you and say, well, see what is useless woman, see what they come out for a mouth. Like me, I dey respect myself. I dey know what I did talk, what I did. Because any young man where you know where I don't work, who are vulnerable ladian. No matter what you dey talk for your man, that person you tell no say this woman they responsible or this woman not they responsible. And for you, I don't know what happened between two of you now because when I don't fair get talk kata for ground. Me I dey go work this morning. I say me as I just see her, I say me I fair talk before I go come on because now night now will take on my work. It not get more. It not get Christmas. It not get holiday. Not get Sunday. I just finish now. I dey come out. I dey go. Okpaika madam. I don't know what happened between two of you now. If really say you get the video where the one where you talk about Abat, we say na Mama Gladys na they pay Abat. I bet me you send that come give me. I want me I still see her. If not true, I go face Mama Gladys. Me go face her. Me be Bini, she na Bini. I go really face her. But may you bring her and make sure say not true. Not talk what it not be true. Because me I not like problem. If not true, I bet me you send that. Video where about do may you send that call give me. Since about say na genocide game matter na go kill na one day. May you send that call give me. Mona try, mona not make una. I mean no can't tell una say mona no fight. Mona two of una mona they fight. Una don't big enough. If una not they understand. A matured women. Una hear something. You not fit carry for me. You ask the other one say see what I hear or not true. Maybe that one will say yes not true. Do what you want to do before you go come out for live video. Una one starts to the fight two mature grown up women. Mona see them where they don't get children, where don't they friend or maybe una go don't see get grandchildren. Mo kuna the fight. Me I no come tell una say mona no fight. Me no mona fight. But mona package John side from one corner. Mona not put Dion. Mona not try and put Dion. Say na because of Dion now want to come the fight. Mona not do one. Mona leave Dion side. That boy don't get you rich. Abba don't give a headache rich. If you not say no want they fight Abat, I go the year down one say Abat say genocide guy. Not because of say you not go say get what I hear they say na this one. Someone na two of una come they take until they fight on herself. No na just they fight on herself. Mo na package John from one corner. Mo na package John from one corner. Me the share for una. See two of una self. Now the same Italy. Now Italy now you fair day before Madam Baika. You don't see it's a shameful thing to us. Moyo boy has to do well hell. As I dey watch live video, I never see person wey say na from Italy for the con. Na they misbehave, na they make this and that. Still two of una now. You come from Italy. No matter say you dey London now. See Mama Gladys now Italy. Man, not come let me the shame, Me I not come the shame for una because Evani mekere. Man, not let me come the shame for una, Because I dey look the other people when they fight themselves, I'll say, this one not be for Italy for con. We dey Italy, we dey intelligent, we not they do something like that. Why you ya mume? Mona no let me come dey share for una, Mona no let me come dey share for una. Mama Kpaika, you dey fight for Dion since Iwa like I really love her. Continue like that because Albert away Nyeri Oboye Kure. They do that one. Mona no call use and say miss another thing. If you get that video, I dey expect that video. Send am come give me. Send am come give me. Me want see am. Because me tell me no name say I no want me a year maybe say about say person wey dey for Italy maybe no mention Mama Gladys name. I don't know because me I don't look that video. I don't get time. Now sometimes if I get time, let me dey watch YouTube. I don't like this kind of one I can't do. I don't like am. Make una stay in my lane. Mama Gladys, stay in your lane. That's your foundation way they do. Continue on. Continue on. No come bend, come off another corner, make you go on another side. If you see, you get one video where you talk about this lady, Igbinedion daughter. If you go see how many people were watching for my YouTube, then they hail you. So so don't just come they do all this kind of thing. If you can't change, I don't like you, because as you marry Italian man, and me I marry Italian person, I see person where still marry the same person, Italian person like me. So I they love you like that. No can't change. If you change this kind of thing, I don't like him. You like and you say be president of Together in God Family. Continue like that. Do that. All those people where they call you say, now so they bring me money, now so they not bring me. Tell them say they buy ticket, make they go Nigeria. What be all this one? What you they do now? Now foundation. Continue that one. No go another side. Who just call you say, Mama, my sister or my guy say, tell them say the advice where I will give you, buy ticket, go Nigeria. Not be everybody will come Europe, now they make am. You know what I mean? I beg, I see the talk on Mama Gladys. That video, tell them make they remove am. Or let's say your children they not they respect you, now you go leave am for them. Calling another woman P, Ima like ye. Ima like for live video. Egbe very on your mama. Matter or okay nata a baby on your market, because I'll tie that well like so now this little thing I say me I can't talk, especially say Mona not put John. Mona not put time. Why measure? Even the bunny why call why call boy. Mona not put time. If you na one fight, two of you na one fight, mo kuna fight. Me, your touchable mama no can't tell na say Mona no fight. Because one say we be age mates. When imagine you can't do a lad and where do die in him your back, you do a little money home. Am I a stupid woman? You know what my children will tell me, go say, que cavolo sta facendo, ma? Per favore, entra in casa. I beg, which kind of nonsense be all this one? When I know what me they fight, put another line, make person they oppress another person. He may work been a job equal, and I said, they fight, say, I don't want make family issue, they call live video, Emma, if they destroy. Una know. So na be that one. If una want fight, Mona carry go, Mona dey fight. If una don't fight, win go enter us. Since una no one use una brain. They say a fool at 40 is fool forever. Atu na hear what they talk so. Be kaya mi wafo. All those small children, let me they test you na finish. People will never even reach 30 years. They see you na finish anyhow. Grown up lady like you people. Now, if your friend don't hold or your friend don't be ane, una come dey misbehave for live video. I dey shame for una. I dey shame for una. Now, little thing I say me, I just tell una. If you enter una head, may enter. If you not enter now, no more na fight. Was a genocide guy. Mama Gladys, I still repeat am. Go delete that video. If you are a responsible lady, go delete am. Mama Kpaika, I dey expect you for that video where you say you hear say na Mama Gladys na dey pay her back. Send am come give me. I want to see him. From Untouchable Mama, remember.